GrippleTV CableSmart is an innovative cable management solution designed to simplify and streamline the installation of data cables in commercial and residential spaces. GrippleTV CableSmart is a cutting-edge system for efficient and organized cable installations, ideal for both professional installers and DIY enthusiasts looking for a hassle-free solution. Say goodbye to traditional methods. GrippleTV CableSmart simplifies cable installations with a swift process. Customize the cable length effortlessly, ensuring a neat and tailored fit for any space, suitable for various cable types, making it a versatile choice for diverse applications. Watch as cables are effortlessly secured using Gripple's intuitive system. The tool simplifies tensioning, ensuring a secure and reliable cable installation every time. Streamline your cable management process, saving time and effort. Achieve a clean and professional look in any setting, where innovation meets simplicity in cable management. Elevate your cable management game and experience the future of tidy installations. Stay organized, stay efficient with GrippleTV CableSmart. MegaDeck by Signature Systems is an industry-leading composite mat system designed to revolutionize ground support for a myriad of applications. These heavy-duty mats are engineered for stability, durability, and versatility. MegaDeck is crafted with high-density polyethylene, providing exceptional strength and resilience. Ideal for temporary roadways, work platforms, or event flooring. MegaDeck excels in various challenging environments. Witness the simplicity of installation with interlocking panels that seamlessly connect. MegaDeck adapts to different terrains, creating a stable surface for heavy equipment, pedestrians, and more, from construction sites to events and military operations. MegaDeck ensures safe and efficient ground support. Elevate your project with MegaDeck composite mats by Signature Systems, where strength meets innovation. Experience the power of MegaDeck composite mats for unmatched performance and ground support in any setting, setting the standard for durability and versatility in composite mats. Induo Modular Room System is a game-changer in interior design, offering a versatile and customizable solution for transforming living spaces. Designed for modern living, it redefines the way we perceive and utilize our home environments. The heart of Induo lies in its modular design. Its panels effortlessly connect, allowing you to create and recreate spaces according to your needs. From home offices to flexible living areas, the possibilities are virtually limitless. Induo boasts a modern aesthetic with clean lines and a variety of finishes. It seamlessly integrates into any design scheme, enhancing the overall look of your interior. Witness the perfect blend of form and function. Experience the simplicity of assembly, making it easy for anyone to adapt their living space. Induo empowers you to explore new configurations, fostering creativity and adaptability in your home. Explore the future of interior design with Induo Modular Room System, where customization meets contemporary elegance, transforming interiors one modular panel at a time. "3F3D" by Bayou Praiudi is a groundbreaking concept where form not only follows function, but is intricately shaped by the forces it encounters. This innovative approach fuses design principles with the power of 3D printing technology, setting the stage for a new era in creative possibilities. Unlike traditional design methods, 3F3D puts a spotlight on the forces and stresses that an object will experience in its intended environment. The form evolves dynamically, responding to these forces, resulting in structures optimized for performance and efficiency. Witness the dynamic adaptability of 3F3D as objects take shape in response to their functional requirements. This approach not only enhances functionality, but also minimizes material usage through intricate and purpose-driven designs. 3F3D with 3D printing represents the future of design, where each form is uniquely tailored to its intended function. Bayou Priority's vision opens doors to limitless possibilities in creating structures that are not only visually striking but also optimized for their intended purposes. Immerse yourself in the groundbreaking synergy of form follows force with 3D printing by Bayou Priority. The future of design is here. The DURA System is a revolutionary sewer technology developed by Steinzug Karamo GmbH, setting new standards in durability, sustainability, and efficiency. This system is engineered to redefine the way we approach sewer infrastructure. DURA introduces a corrosion-resistant and exceptionally durable pipe material, ensuring longevity and reliability in challenging environmental conditions. Its modular design simplifies installation, providing flexibility and adaptability to various sewer projects. Embrace sustainability with the DURA system. Its material composition reduces environmental impact, contributing to a more eco-friendly and resilient sewer infrastructure. The system is designed to withstand the test of time, minimizing maintenance and replacement needs. DURA's innovative features result in reduced lifecycle costs and increased efficiency in sewer management. Experience a robust and sustainable solution that ensures the longevity and reliability of sewer networks. Discover the future of sewer technology with the DURA system by Steinzug Karamo GmbH, where durability meets innovation. The St. Augustin Bridge Insert, crafted by Schulerplan, emerges as a revolutionary solution to enhance and modernize bridge structures. This innovative insert is designed to optimize the performance and extend the lifespan of existing bridges. The St. Augustin Bridge Insert introduces advanced materials and engineering, reinforcing and fortifying the structural integrity of bridges. Its modular design facilitates efficient installation, minimizing disruptions and downtime during the upgrade process. Experience a substantial increase in the durability and load-bearing capacity of bridges through the implementation of the St. Augustin Bridge Insert. This solution addresses the challenges posed by aging infrastructure, ensuring safety and longevity. The St. Augustin Bridge Insert offers a cost-effective alternative to bridge replacement, optimizing budget allocations for infrastructure improvement. Witness the transformation of existing bridges into modern, resilient structures with enhanced performance. Embrace the future of bridge engineering with the St. Augustin Bridge Insert, where innovation meets structural excellence. Dafeng AI, the world's first wall plastering robot by Dafeng AI, marks a groundbreaking leap in construction technology. This cutting-edge robot redefines the way we approach plastering and skimming processes in the construction industry. Dafeng AI introduces automated plastering and skimming, drastically reducing construction time and labor costs. Equipped with advanced AI technology, this robot adapts to various wall structures and contours, ensuring precise and efficient plastering. Witness the efficiency of Dafeng AI as it seamlessly navigates and covers large wall surfaces, delivering consistent and high-quality plastering results. The robot's speed and accuracy transform traditional construction processes, accelerating project timelines. Dafeng AI revolutionizes the construction landscape, offering increased efficiency, cost savings, and superior quality plastering. Experience a shift towards automated construction practices with the world's first wall plastering robot. Embrace the future of construction with Dafeng AI, where innovation meets precision in wall plastering and skimming. E.ON Energy UK brings you a game-changing solution with external wall insulation and innovation, designed to enhance your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and aesthetics. Say goodbye to chilly walls and hello to a warmer, more sustainable living space. External wall insulation acts as a protective shield, wrapping your home in a thermal layer that significantly reduces heat loss. This system is versatile, compatible with various wall types, and ensures a seamless integration into your home's design. Witness a transformation in energy efficiency as external wall insulation regulates indoor temperatures, reducing the need for excessive heating. Experience lower energy bills while contributing to a greener, more sustainable future. External wall insulation not only enhances thermal performance, but also revitalizes the exterior appearance of your home. E.ON Energy UK empowers you to create a more energy-efficient and visually appealing living space. Embrace the comfort of a well-insulated home with external wall insulation, where innovation meets sustainability. Thermo Solaio, brought to you by System ICF in collaboration with System, is a revolutionary solution that redefines energy efficiency in construction. Step into the future of sustainable building with this innovative system. Thermo Solaio introduces an advanced insulating concrete for ICF system, combining structural integrity with exceptional thermal performance. This innovative technology creates a continuous layer of insulation, optimizing energy efficiency throughout the building. Witness a paradigm shift towards sustainable construction practices as Thermo Solaio enhances thermal insulation, reducing reliance on artificial heating and cooling. The system prioritizes environmental consciousness without compromising on structural strength. Thermo Solaio not only minimizes energy consumption, but also offers superior comfort and indoor air quality. Experience a construction solution that aligns with modern sustainability standards, ensuring a future-ready and eco-friendly built environment. Embrace the excellence of Thermo Solaio, where innovation meets sustainability in construction. NewTechWood Decking introduces European-style siding, a transformative solution that brings a touch of sophistication to your home's exterior. Elevate your curb appeal with this innovative and stylish siding option. European-style siding by NewTechWood blends modern design with durability, providing a contemporary aesthetic for any architectural style. Crafted with cutting-edge composite materials, this siding ensures long-lasting beauty and resilience against the elements. Witness the versatility of European-style siding as it effortlessly adapts to diverse design preferences, offering a sleek and timeless look. The embossed wood grain texture adds a natural touch, enhancing the overall appeal of your home. European-style siding not only enhances the visual appeal of your home, but also minimizes maintenance efforts. Thanks to its durable and low-maintenance composition, experience exterior elegance with NewTechWood's commitment to quality and innovation. Choose European-style siding for a harmonious blend of style and resilience, where innovation meets architectural beauty. Isokorb stands at the forefront of thermal insulation solutions, revolutionizing the way building connections are made. Explore a new era in construction, where efficiency meets structural integrity. Isokorb addresses thermal bridging, ensuring that building connections maintain energy efficiency and prevent heat loss. This innovative system optimizes structural design, reducing the risk of condensation and enhancing the overall thermal performance of buildings. Witness the transformative impact of Isokorb as it actively contributes to the energy efficiency of structures, promoting sustainability in construction. The system is designed to meet the rigorous standards of modern building regulations. Isokorb not only improves energy efficiency, but also ensures durability and longevity in building connections. Experience a solution that seamlessly combines innovation, thermal performance, and structural reliability. Embrace the future of construction with Isokorb, where thermal insulation meets architectural excellence. Fastcoat spray foam emerges as a game-changer in insulation technology, redefining the way we approach energy-efficient building solutions. Dive into a world where insulation meets speed and effectiveness. Fastcoat is engineered for rapid application, providing a quick and efficient solution for insulating various surfaces. This spray foam adheres seamlessly, creating a protective barrier that enhances energy efficiency and minimizes thermal bridging. Experience the transformative efficiency of Fastcoat as it effortlessly covers and seals surfaces, offering superior insulation in less time. The quick curing formula ensures a speedy yet robust insulation application. Kraken Fastcoat spray foam not only accelerates insulation projects, but also contributes to energy savings and improved indoor comfort. Embrace a solution that combines speed, effectiveness, and energy efficiency in insulation applications. Elevate your insulation game with Kraken Fastcoat spray foam, where speed meets innovation in energy-efficient solutions. Augustin House introduces wood sandwich panels, a revolutionary approach to sustainable building design that seamlessly combines aesthetics with eco-conscious construction. Immerse yourself in the elegance and sustainability of wooden architecture. Wood sandwich panels showcase unique construction layers of wood, encapsulating a core material resulting in panels that are lightweight, strong, and environmentally friendly. This innovative design maximizes thermal insulation, contributing to energy efficiency and creating a comfortable indoor environment. Witness the commitment to sustainability as wood sandwich panels prioritize renewable materials, reducing the environmental footprint of construction projects. Augustin House brings together aesthetics and environmental responsibility. Every panel. Wood sandwich panels not only enhance the visual appeal of structures, but also provide excellent insulation properties, ensuring energy efficiency and reduced heating and cooling costs. Experience the harmonious blend of natural beauty and ecological mindfulness in architectural design. Elevate your building design with wood sandwich panels where sustainability meets timeless beauty. Retaining wall blocks are specialized building blocks designed for creating sturdy and visually appealing retaining walls in landscaping and construction projects, engineered for stability. These blocks come in various materials like concrete, segmental, stone, or brick, providing flexibility and aesthetic options. Many blocks feature an interlocking design, ensuring a secure fit without the need for mortar, simplifying the installation process. Retaining wall blocks offer versatility in design, with different sizes, shapes, and colors available. Their aesthetic options allow customization to match the surrounding landscape or architectural styles, engineered for stability. These blocks effectively withstand lateral soil pressure, making them essential for retaining walls. Their user-friendly design makes them suitable for DIY projects or professional construction, combining functionality with ease of installation. Elevate your outdoor spaces with the strength and style of retaining wall blocks, building stability with a touch of elegance. VitraLOCK is an innovative dry installation system by CableSmart, designed to transform the way glass blocks are used in building walls and constructions. VitraLOCK offers a dry installation method, eliminating the need for traditional mortar, making the installation process faster and more efficient. The system incorporates a secure locking mechanism, ensuring stability and precision in assembling glass blocks, ideal for both residential and commercial projects. VitraLOCK opens up new possibilities for architects and builders seeking modern, translucent designs. The system is suitable for various glass block patterns, providing flexibility in creating visually striking walls. VitraLOCK represents a paradigm shift in glass block installations, offering not only aesthetic appeal, but also practical advantages in terms of speed, precision, and versatility. Explore the future of glass block construction with VitraLOCK by CableSmart.